Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make steak and mashed potatoes. Preheat a heavy skillet over high heat until smoking. Pat steaks dry and season generously with salt and pepper. Sear steaks 3-4 minutes per side for medium rare, then rest 5-10 minutes while you boil potatoes until tender. Mash potatoes with butter and milk to creamy texture. Finish steaks with butter and herbs. Slice and serve. Start by seasoning the steak well and letting it rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes so flavors penetrate. Heat a heavy skillet until it smokes lightly and add a high smoke oil to coat the pan. Sear steaks 3-4 minutes per side for medium rare, or until internal temps reach 135 degrees F for medium rare and 145 degrees F for medium. Rest steaks 5-10 minutes. Choose Yukon Gold or russet potatoes and cut them into even pieces to boil faster and cook evenly. Salt the water and simmer until a fork slides in easily, then drain well to avoid watery mash. Return potatoes to the pot, add warm butter and milk, and mash to your preferred consistency. Season with salt and pepper and stir in chopped herbs for brightness. Keep warm until serving alongside the steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.